Okay, for our center practice today, we're gonna do 3 worksheets. The first one is called Pattern Power. As I'm explaining how to do these, you can always push pause if you need to take a minute to find the worksheet and follow along. We're first gonna write our name at the top. What we're going to do is we are going to use these cubes to make patterns. A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. When you make a pattern, you can choose what you would like for it to look like. So, but our first pattern we're going to do is just an A-B pattern. A, B. So we need 2 colors. One for A, I'm going to do blue. One for B, I'm going to do green. So when you read the pattern, you can either say blue, green, or you can say A, B, A, B. It's called an A-B pattern. Next is going to be blue. So next is going to be green. So choose 2 colors and make your pattern. And you're gonna go all the way to the end. Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. Now listen, if you wanted to do an ABC pattern, A, B, C, you would pick 3 colors. I'm gonna do it again. A, B, now I picked red for C, C. Now I'd start over, repeat it over and over again. A, blue, B, green, C, red. And then you repeat it again, A, B, C. I want you to make patterns on these blocks. Make 5 different patterns. The next page is another color by word. Remember that we've learned some sight words. I am the little. This word says, this is part of our at word family. At, rat. At, bat. And at, sat. Okay? So every time you see these words, if you see sat, you're going to color it purple. Sat is going to be purple. For example, over here, this one says sat, so you would color this book purple because it says sat. If you see the word bat, and you can ask your mom or dad or someone for help, okay? Because I'm not going to do the whole thing. I want you to try it. Bat is going to be green. Down here, the leaf says bat, so you'll color that one green. Right above bat is rat, and that one is going to be yellow. Rat is yellow, so anytime you see rat, you're going to color it yellow. Sometimes the words can be kind of small, so you got to look around. You got to look really close, make sure you're doing it right. The word little is going to be orange. That's kind of not the best orange. Little will be orange. And here's one of those. Little will be orange. Right above little is the. The will be brown. Am will be red. And I will be blue. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up. And if you need to push pause so you can see what colors are what, go ahead and do that now. Then make sure you match up the words to the colors, and then it will turn into a beautiful picture of a little boy checking out a bunch of books, probably from the library. The last one we're gonna do is called highlight a letter. Sometimes at school, we haven't done this yet, but I'll have the kids use highlighters. And it's called highlight a letter. You can, if you don't have highlighters, you can use a marker or you can just use a crayon. That's just fine. So when you highlight a letter, you're marking it. So this one will say, we're doing the letter B right up here. So anytime you see the letter B, you're gonna color it in. You're gonna highlight it. Color in the box. Okay, so you're gonna go through, and all of these B's are different, the way they're written. So you gotta pay really close attention. Make sure you don't get a D on accident in there, okay? Then you're gonna get your pencil. You're gonna trace the uppercase like this. Underneath, you're gonna try it on your own. Uppercase B, uppercase B, uppercase B, uppercase B. Now you're gonna move to the lowercase. Stick and a circle, stick and a circle, stick and a circle. Underneath, you'll do lowercase b. Okay, practicing handwriting and finding the letter B. If you have time, there's more on the back where you can just look for more B's and color those in. Okay, that's our centers for today.